Hello and welcome everyone. This is a resource guide for first-time homebuyers. Getting to the mindset of finally deciding to become a homeowner has never been an easy task, as there are pros and cons to owning property. Pros: tax write-offs. Peace of mind to do and paint the walls whatever color you want in your house. Children can be as loud as they want, or you can even play your weekend cleanup music as loud as you want to play it without anyone complaining. You don't have a fear of having to move because the landlord has sold or lost the house and didn't tell you until the last minute. Cons: if something breaks, you are responsible for fixing it. There is no calling the owner for repair because you are the owner. Hence, you must keep funds aside should anything go wrong. If you look at the shortlist, the pros really do outweigh the cons of homeownership. The question here is, why are you still renting when it is clearly better to own your own property? In the history of homeownership, the housing market crashes every 10 to 15 years or so. Give or take, but one thing that never crashes is the rent price. When the market crashes, it creates a demand for displaced homeowners, increasing rental amounts. When the market is good, housing costs more for homeowners to buy, creating higher rents. When you think about it, rent never goes down. And the renter is the one left paying the hefty rental price tag while they still do not own anything. Are you tired of getting nothing for the hundreds of thousands of rental incomes that you have put in someone else's pocket? In this course, we will go through the steps of making you a successful homeowner as you shall get ready and be prepared for homeownership. But before we get started, the first thing and the most important thing that we need to do is to know where we stand with our credit. You can get a free credit report once a year from these websites. This is your most important step because, in order to think about getting a house, your credit must be in good condition. So, let's go online and register for the free reports, so that we will know where we stand before we even get started. This brings us to the end of this section. And now we are ready to move on with our course. See you in the next section. Thank you.